Hello everyone, this is Kara. Today I will show you how to create a licked eye 3D effect like this. You can apply it in your own videos. All you need is a video of someone dancing or doing actions. And the post-editing process is also very simple. Just follow tutorial step by step and you will be able to do it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. To achieve this effect, we need to process the recorded video into green screen material. Here, we can use some AI tools to help us quickly complete this. For example, replicate. We open this website and then click here. In the search bar, type video matting. And then click this. Next, we drag the prepared video here. Check if it's green screen here. And then click Run. Next, we wait for a few minutes, and the already extracted material will appear on the right side of the web page. We click here to download it. Next, we open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded yet, use a link in the description box down below to download the software. We import the original video and extracted green screen material into VideoProc Vlogger. Then, we place the original video on the main track and extracted green screen material on the overlay track. Then, in the inspector, select the height alignment and then find green screen and check it. Adjust these two parameters accordingly. After that, we select original material on the main track. Click Motion and browse the material. Find the position where the action is more obvious. Then we create a new keyframe at the beginning of the action. Restore the display window on the left side. And then click here to drag it back a little bit and enlarge the timeline. Then we slowly move the playback head backward to find the end position of the action, and then create another keyframe. Next, click here and change the aspect ratio option to custom. Then hold down the left mouse button on this original point and move it up a certain distance. You can adjust it according to your material. Then we drag the box to make the center positions of the two keyframes coincide. Then we find the speed in the lower right and change it to speed down. Then move forward to find the desired end position of the effect, which is roughly here. Click to add a keyframe, and then move it back a little bit, roughly to the end of the action, and add another keyframe. Then restore the display area on the left side, and find the speed in the lower right corner again. Change it to speed down. Click Apply and then play to see the effect. Well, not bad. Of course, you can also try other materials to create this effect and add a licked eye 3D effect wherever you like. It is worth noting that it is better to use materials with clear distinctions between the subject and the background for better results. Go try it out for yourself. Well, that's all for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!